zooms with fiery speed. Blue car follows full of need. Green car swerves but holds its place. Yellow car joins in the chase. Round the corner wheels go fast, each one hoping not to crash. Crowds of teddies clap and cheer as the finish line draws near. Block towers stand to mark the lane. Cushion hills like mountain chain. Through a tunnel made of books, cars rush on with racing looks. Blue car steps on Teddy's paw, bounces back without a flaw. Green car takes a daring turn, almost tips but lessons learn. Red car leads but slows its pace. Yellow smiles and steals the space. Back and forth they fight for lead, plastic wheels with lightning speed. Lap by lap the track goes long. Every car feels brave and strong. Nobody minds who comes in first. Fun and laughter quench the thirst.